Hello everyone, in the last video we talked about incoming mail, and in this video we will talk about PowerMTA Management Console and how to disable it. In the last video I showed you the incoming mail practically, showed how you can do your receive here. You can send and receive through PMTA here, you can do it in your round cube, okay? In this video we will talk about PowerMTA Management Console, how to enable it here. Here's its code, okay. Here first of all you have to come to the configuration file, and here as soon as you scroll down, this is its port, which is the port to access the Power Management Console. You can change it from here. You can also do this, and here you can also put restrictions. Here you can enter the IP of your PC, so what will happen is that the PowerMTA Management Console will open only on your IP and it will not open on any other IP than this also. Here you can put access, etc. I am not putting it right now, okay, and here it is already saved. After that what you have to do is I open the terminal. I have done it. First of all I clear it like you are there now, like I am. Let me open this. And this is your IP, 1983, which is my port right now. If you open it, it will not be here. Okay, look, I show it completely here. It is still taking the load. It is here, so what you have to do for this is to do this command. Copy, okay, look here, it is still taking it. It is not opening here. After that, you have to do this command here, paste it because it is from 1983 here. This will open the port. And now here's the end, and after that you can restart the services also. I have done this service, and now my management console will open. Look at this, I do on proceed, and here on PowerMTA web monitoring this also. Called monitoring, so here the monitoring panel will show you here and two mails are showing here in and two mails out, which I had shown you by sending two mails in IP rotation. This is the same. Okay, here you can see its graph here, how many mails have come in, how many mails have gone out here. You can see it here. Also in end status, etc. It shows you other details here in end queue, etc. All the mails that have gone into the queue. Neither its region, etc. is also shown here. It will also show you here what error is coming. After that comes the domain. The domain is not showing here. After that comes the virtual MTA, and after that comes the log file and jobs. And here your log file is there. You can download it and identify the problem which is showing in the log file. Okay, yes, license, and here again there are config things, so this is the main thing, this is this. And this one which is related to queue. Here also you can find out the error, how many mails have been sent to you, how many mails have not been sent here. You can find that out through PowerMTA Management Console, so much more in this. We will talk about this much more in the video, and in the next video we will install MailWiz. I will also install SSL before installing MailWiz.